video about using front awesome icon or any icon on React Native. So if you are from a web background, you are must be familiar with the front awesome CDN and this type of icon name, but how to implement this on React Native. So to do that, I'm showing this. You can see it. There's a dashboard in here. So I'm assuming that you already know about a component and using a file and importing components in React Native. So I'm just gonna jump into the section where I'm gonna show you how to install this vector icon in the React Native project. So first of all, to use the React Native vector icon in React Native, all you have to do is first of all you have to install a dependency. For that, I'm gonna give you a few kind of links you can follow. So first of all, go to your terminal and then install a vector icon using a command, and the command is npm install React-native vector icons, then save. If you don't know meaning of save, what does this even if you do perform it without this save, it will install the vector icon in your project. But what this save does is it will add this vector icon dependency to your app package.json. So what it does is whenever you install npm install, it will all install all the packages mentioned in here dependency. So if you want your project your package to be included in your package.json, you have to do it .save. So this is the best practice, so you should follow this as well. So after doing that, do this on terminal, then it will install your package vector icon in your project, and it will be appear in here in React Native vector icon. So current version of vector icon is 8.0. so this is what is here showing here. So after that, go to your you think it will be easier, and I think it will work, but it will not work in right here. There is an additional process. So after that, go to Android app, then src folder, then main, then create a folder named asset, then create a folder named fronts. So remember the path: app, src, main, asset, and fronts. I'm showing this for Android platform. So for iOS there is another way. So this way is only work in Android platform. So for Android platform to work this vector icon in React Native, you have to go to app, so src, main, create a folder named assets, then create a folder named fronts. Then after doing that, go to your node module. Wait a minute, it's hard to find it here. Yeah, go to your node module, then vector icon, where is it? Vector icon is vector icon. Wait a minute. React Native vector icon. So go to this node module, React Native vector icon folder, then go to fronts, select all the four fronts, then copy it and paste it to your Android app, src, main. Then inside the folder you create asset and following fronts, and inside front paste all the fronts you have copied from node module fronts directory. So after that, it should work, right? So but it still not work. So if you are following any other web forums or tutorial on YouTube, what they are not telling you is that they are telling the process still here, but it will not work because whenever you go to your, for example, my component name file name is this vector icon, and I'm showing the home page, home icon here. Let me show home, as you can see. And when if I want to change it to user is changing its user. Oh, wait a minute, sometimes it takes time. So here's a user. So what is the size it will do is it is the size for your icon, and this is your color. What happened? My emulator just crashed. Wait a minute. Sorry for that. My this emulator just crashed, so I don't know what the reason was, but I will look into it. So this is a size of your icon, and this is a hex code for a color. So as you can see, it's fading. So if you want to change like arrow, it's taking so long, man. I don't know. Sorry. Arrow, then a left, right, left. As you can see, it's working. So the problem was, another tutorial will show you how to install what I just did, but what they don't tell you is, even you do all the process, it will not show icon in here. Instead it will just show it as this. And to solve this, all you have to do is restart your server using command npx redact native run -android. So after doing that, your vector icon will be showing on your screen. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Keep coding.